If you see Roblox Error Code 2 on your mobile, don't worry, quick fixes are coming up now. This message usually signals a network or app glitch preventing the device from reaching Roblox servers. First, verify your internet, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or briefly restart your router to rule out connection issues. Next, force close the Roblox app and relaunch it to clear temporary session issues before doing anything else. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache from your phone settings to remove any corrupted temporary files. We'll walk through each quick fix step by step now, with on-screen captions and progress indicators for clarity. Close Roblox by swiping it away from recent apps, then wait 5 seconds before reopening to fully clear memory. Open Settings, tap Apps, find Roblox, then tap Storage so you can access cache and data controls. Tap Clear Cache and confirm. Watch the on-screen progress bar complete as cached files are removed. If clearing cache doesn't fix it, uninstall Roblox and reinstall the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Before retrying, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds then off, or restart your router to refresh your connection. Reopen Roblox and tap Retry. If successful, the game will load and you'll see your connection restored with a confirmation check.